Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best dog car seats that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, K&H Manufacturing Bucket Booster Pet Seat. Coming to the last entry in our top dog car seat list, this dog seat by K&H elevates your dog inside a car, giving it a better view. It keeps the dog restrained, so it doesn't distract while you drive. Apart from being easy to install, as well as to uninstall, the seat can be fitted in the front and the back seat as well. The cover is removable and washable while the exterior is durable. It comes with a 1-year warranty and a pair of security leashes. The contoured back is designed to fit snugly in the front or back seat of any size car. The small bucket booster is recommended for small pets, and the large booster can fit up to 2 small pets or 1 medium-sized breed. At number 4, Snoozer Lookout Car Seat. The insides of this pet car seat are made of comfortable foam and simulated lamb wool. It comes with a connection strap that joins the harness to the seat belt. Moreover, it comes with various options for fabric so that your dog remains extremely comfortable. This dog car seat doesn't fail to provide the dog a safe and cozy environment while the car is in motion. This Snoozer Lookout features quilted, poly-cotton fabric on the exterior, and plush Sherpa on the interior. With a poly-cotton cover, this car seat is soft to the touch while strong enough to handle daily wear and tear. Our poly-cotton exterior is fade-resistant, shrink-resistant, and wrinkle-resistant, which means it holds up to heavy use and regular cleaning while still looking great. The Sherpa interior provides a soft and snuggly place for your dog to snooze in extreme comfort. At number 3, Solvit Tagalong Pet Booster Seat. This seat is designed in such a manner that the support is placed underneath the seat so that the pet gets an unobstructed view. As a result, no straps agitate them or come in their way. It is ideal for small dogs and can be connected to the seat belt system of the car. The washable and removable fleece liner keeps the seat fresh and clean. Unique in its design, the booster seats elevate pets off the car seat so they can watch the world go by. Installs securely in 1 minute. The booster seats feature a padded interior and an internal harness attachment to create a secure ride for your dog. The internal liner removes for washing to keep the booster seat clean and fresh. Safety leash and storage pocket included. At number 2, Kurgo Skybox TM Dog Booster Seat. Since the company has complete faith in its products, it offers a lifetime warranty on its dog car seats. Furthermore, this dog seat can be secured easily to various types of seats like bucket seat and back seat. The tether attaches to the dog harness easily, so that the dog stays in its seat. The waterproof and strong design provides waterproof exterior and structural integrity. It happens to be one of the best pet seats you can go for. Dog car seat belt tether is adjustable and easily attaches to any dog harness to keep your pup in his seat. Zippered storage pockets for toys, leashes, or other dog accessories. Finally, at number 1, Solvit Tagalong Pet Booster Seat. This dog seat comes with a lifetime warranty and can hold up to 30 pounds. It is ideal for dogs who love to glance out the window, as it can elevate the pet 9 inches more so that the dog gets a clear view. It can be easily installed on all the vehicles and doesn't require a headrest. The washable and removable liner keeps the seat fresh, as well as clean. Give your pup a safe ride with a view. The pet safety seat cradles your dog in comfort and security as you cruise down the road together. The pet safety seat utilizes Safe T-Core technology, a rigid internal structure that integrates with the vehicle seatbelt to provide added security for your pet, and installs securely in 1 minute in the front or back seat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.